Hello, bloggers and blogettes. We would like to welcome you to the latest edition of our blog. This is The Silence of the Memes by Louis Blow and Gabriel Nadeau. What we will be doing is reviewing memes that have to do with Silence of the Lambs. We hope you enjoy, and please tune in to this wonderful post.
So here we have meme number 1. So it goes like this. If you're sick of people, maybe you should cook them longer. So we decided to rate this meme a 5 out of 10 because it's not that humorous, and we see that it has a bit of reference to the book, to the Hannibal Lecter and everything, but we feel that as a meme, it's not very good.
So this is meme number 2. We like to rate it a 6 out of 10. It goes like this. Nice skin, can I wear it? Very few words, but although it's not extremely high rated, it does have a certain je ne sais quoi. The nice skin, can I wear it clearly alludes to Buffalo Bill that is in this picture. He's clearly very pensive, so we like this one for the links and the connotations it has, less than the actual humorous aspect. Okay, so meme number 3. This one goes, when my homie feeds me his fava beans with a nice Chianti. And then in the second image you have, when my homie feeds me himself with fava beans and a nice Chianti. We'd like to rate this one 9.5 out of 10.
Woo!
Obviously an excellent score. This meme is well thought out. It's got multiple images with a contrast of emotions.
Louis, I really have to agree with you. And it comes from a great memer.
Yes, that's right. This meme actually comes from a renowned memographer that you can find at Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, at Charlie and the Chocolate Memery, sorry. An excellent page. I would highly recommend it. Now, what we liked about this one was the clear humorous touch, yet also very linked to possibly one of the most famous lines ever in any book. Great illusion, great humor, great connotations. We love it. 9.5.
So here we have meme number 4. So this meme goes like this. I hate clowns. Why? They taste funny. See, it's pretty humorous, but we're just gonna rate it as a 7 out of 10 because the layout is pretty basic, the image are bad quality, and it's clearly funny because there's a clown.
This here is meme number 5, once again from our good friends at Charlie and the Chocolate Memery. This one goes, when your girl wants to take a cute pic, but now you've been stuck outside striking poses for half a day. Due to Lecter's very obvious disdain at having to do this, and Clarice's seeming enjoyment of Lecter's pain, we find this quite ironic and humorous, so we rate it as 8.5. Very high, a few tiny things to improve. The major one being the text itself could have been a better, not necessarily quality, but a better font perhaps would have really made it stand out more. Other than that, great meme, 8.5, we enjoy it.
Here we have meme number 6. So it goes like this. Lost, please return to James Buffalo Bill Gum. Reward offered. So here it's pretty humorous, and we have a clear link between the book or the movie to the meme. So with his dog Precious, and according to us, we have a scale out of 10. So we give it a 6.5.
It's a solid meme. It's got all the aspects one could look for in this type of more macabre yet funny genre. Yet it doesn't have that wow factor, that pop that we're really looking for to get those top grades. So 6.5. This here is meme number 7. There are many things to like about this one, namely the links between excellent books. You have Lord of the Rings coming together with Silence of the Lambs. What's not to love? We give this one a solid 10 out of 10. What do you think, Gab?
I totally disagree.
How? What are you talking
I'll
about?
give it a 7 because look at
7?
look at how they cut the dog.
Oh, come on!
It's terrible.
It's precious. It's
It's
excellent. Look at that.
I disagree.
Oh, come on. Maybe the the editing isn't up to your perfect standard, but come on, they put hard work into this. It's fantastic.
I have nothing to say about the joke. The joke is perfect. I love it. But the editing has to work on that.
All right. I mean, I guess we're gonna have to agree to disagree on this one. I mean, I'm not budging from my 10. You're not budging for your 7. If we average it out, what does that give us? I've never been very good at math.
8.5.
There you go. Last but not least, here are the credits. It's very important to know who did what. Louis, which is me, did the script, and I was also big on the meme conception.
So me, I was big on the PowerPoint making and ensure that all the sources of those memes were taken note of.
There you go. Speaking of which, here are our sources. There you go. Here we have our main sponsors, Charlie and the Chocolate Memery. Once again, we invite you to go check them out. They helped us out a lot for this post, and so we're returning the favor. And here you have all of our other links. Thank you very much. This will be our last post for a while, and we would like to thank all of our viewers, our bloggers, and our blogettes. Have a great day, have a great week, and we'll see you next time.